Using augmented reality for product demos, 5 powerful models of exclusive branding. VeeSpaces is the best place for experts who want to learn how augmented reality can boost their business growth by increasing sales and profits. A virtual booth is a personalized space that allows customers to explore products and businesses in immersive, 3D environments. In this video, you'll learn how to use augmented reality for business promotions, product demos, expos, or everything that's in your hands, such as event marketing, experiential prototyping, customer service, etc. Virtual booth software, 5 useful augmented or virtual reality models for business branding. 1. Augmented reality for exclusive business or product demos. The 3D technology in augmented reality is user and mobile friendly. By placing an ad virtually on user mobiles, it delivers an immersive, digital experience temporarily. 2. Making VR VeeSpaces models mobile and user friendly. On VeeSpaces, it is easy to recreate and display the virtual 3D model as mobile. Augmented reality brings us immersive 3D imagery that is so much more satisfying than we ever expected. 3. Building VeeSpaces portal through your website. With augmented reality, you can create web portals with advertising spaces, add information that visitors can access regardless of their location, and design specific micro-experiences for user engagement. 4. Embracing the completely immersive 360-degree experience. From products to promotional video, a virtual vendor booth makes everything seem most realistic than ever. Fully immersive 360-degree experiences of the new trend. They are interactive, multi-sensory, and connected to the customer's lifestyle and memories. 5. Bringing pictures to life with our simple VeeSpaces augmented reality add-ons. If you want to provide visitors with a rich and complete augmented reality experience, try investing in virtual booth software. Your visitors will be able to interact with the live displayed images and scan them with their mobile phones. That is what the best virtual booth experience is and what businesses are looking for today. Want to learn more? For a quick demo, reach us at hello@veespaces.com.